everybody, it's Molly from Projects by Molly. I'm back again this week with another video. And this week I want to introduce to you something that I think is a really helpful framework to help you make decisions about projects. This is called the triangle. And the triangle is a framework that we use in project management to help us really evaluate the impact of making changes. So that might mean you want to add more work to a project. Maybe you're going to build more features. It might mean that you actually want to do the reverse. Maybe you want to take something out. So the idea is you use the triangle framework to help you understand what the other impacts to your other areas of the project are going to be. So the triangle is made up of three sides, obviously. The first side is scope, and that just means what is in the project and conversely, what is not. So really defining what's in and what's out of scope. That's what scope means. The next side of the triangle is time. You might hear this called schedule. So the idea being how much time are you going to invest into this project? What are your tasks for your times for each tasks, that sort of thing. The last side is the money side, also known as cost. So this simply represents how much money are you planning to spend to get this project done. So the idea of the triangle is this. If something were to change, let's take the example, you are going to increase your scope by doing more work. So when one of these sides of the triangle changes, there is an impact to at least one or both of the other sides. So take a look here. If I increase this scope, one way that I could solve for it and make the triangle complete is I could increase my time as well. So I'm going to do more, but I'm also going to take longer to get the project done. Now, if I increase the scope, another option that I have would be to keep the time the same, but spend more money. So maybe I bring in more people to get this additional work done without impacting the overall time or schedule of the project. The third option here would be if I increase our scope, I might increase both the time and the money so that I can get it done maybe on an accelerated schedule, but still longer than planned and using more resources as well. So the triangle is a great framework to use whenever you're evaluating a change, whether you're increasing or decreasing the work. If you want to look at adjusting the dates of a particular project's finish, for example, think about the triangle so that you can really get the broader scope of all the impacts for your project. That's all for this week. If you like this video, please actually do click that like button on YouTube. You can also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to get the latest and greatest whenever I publish. So thanks again for joining me. Really appreciate your time and hope you have a great day. Thanks.